Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you how to generate a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to organize your document more efficiently, a table of contents can be a game changer. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have a blank page for you to generate table of contents. If you do not have it, you can just insert a blank page. Insert and click blank page. Step 1 is to highlight this title, select home, and choose heading 1. Once I click on heading 1, as you can see here, the alignment of the title has been changed from center to left, but no worry, we can always modify it. Right click, click modify, select center and click OK. Now let's go to the following title. Highlight and choose heading 1. As you can see here, now the title is remaining at the center. Or you can use Format Painter to do it. Double-click the Format Painter and click on the title. And just continue to click on the title that you want to make it as heading 1. Now let's go for heading 2. If you can't find heading 2 here, or if you want to add heading 3 and you couldn't find heading 3, just press Ctrl, Shift and S key on your keyboard and key in heading 3 and click Apply. Now go back to the blank page that I created for the table of contents. Select References and choose Table of Contents. As you can see here, they are automatic and also manual table. I will just go for the simple one. Click on Table of Contents. You will be able to see this update table. If there's any update on your number of page, then you can click Update Page Numbers only and OK. If there's any changes or amendment of your title, then you can choose Update Entire Table and click OK. For example, let's go back to Table of Contents. Choose Update Entire Table and click OK. Activity has been changed to Activities. You can also remove Table of Contents. Just click Table of Contents here and choose Remove Table of Contents. Or you can also custom Table of Contents. You can choose not to have the tab leader. Just click None. Click OK. Yes. And the line disappeared. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.